What's up, guys? This is knifesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be looking at the new CRKT Radic. This is new for 2018 and really a cool design knife. It's a little bit larger, 4.5 inches closed. It does have a 4.5 ounce weight on it as well. You can see kind of the thick blade there. You have some thicker steel liners as well with a smooth black G10 handle that is contoured. Really gives that knife some ergonomics. Really fits nicely in the hand and pinch or cut into any part of the hand. It does have the OutBurst Assist on it. I like this assist because it's a lot stronger than some of the other ones. It comes out very quickly, and you don't have any kind of small springs or anything nested into the liner. It's easy to clean if you need to, so if you get pocket lint, dirt, things like that, you can just blow it out, or just it's just an easy knife to clean out. It does have the liner lock, pushes over, closes nicely. Deep carry pocket clip here. It is tip down carry right hand. There is no options as far as changing the clip on that. So opens up again very nicely. 3.5 inch blade made out of 8 CR13 MOV. Really cool blade design here as well. It really stands out from some of the other blades. You do have a milled fuller here where your thumb stud is, and then an elongated or a pretty long ramp here jimped on the spine of the blade. Really cool knife. This is available at knifesplus.com. I'm sure we're beating most of the competition out there on our price, so head on over to grab one of these. I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knifesplus.com to learn more.